Hola everyone, Lili here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I practice piercing the Surface Tragus. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to be practicing on this fake silicone ear that we have here. So I'm just inspecting the ear, looking at it, seeing where I want my piercing to be. So I'm just making sure that I'm looking at it from every angle to make sure that it's going to lay correctly. Alrighty, and in this video, I'm going to be using some needles. So here we have a few different sizes. We have 14, 16, and 20 gauge in this clip right here. And then I'm also going to be using this purple skin marker to make my little dots to see where I'm going to pierce through. And this is the one that I'm using. And then I'm also going to be using either a cork or a receiving tube. I haven't decided which I'm going to use for this video, but I am going to be using one of these two for the back of the needle. And then I'm also going to be using some alcohol pads to clean my area. And then this is the one that I'm going to be using. Alrighty, and then I will be using this Ink Ease Vegan Glide to be lubing my needle with. That way it makes much more of a smoother process when going through the skin. Alrighty, so I'm going to start by grabbing my alcohol pad and then opening that up and then just cleaning the area very thoroughly, making sure everything is nice and clean. And then once everything is nice and clean, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my purple skin marker and then decide where I want the piercing to go. So here I am just deciding where it looks nice, where it's going to lay perfectly. And then I decided that I think right here would be the perfect positioning for the tragus piercing. And I'm just double checking, making sure that that's exactly where I want it. And then once I'm content with that, I'm going to go ahead and begin. Alrighty, then I'm going to go ahead and just grab my needle and then make sure that I poke it right on through my guidelines, which are these holes right here, ensuring that they are as close as possible to these dots because that's exactly where I want my piercing to lay. And then this is what it's looking like. So then I'm gonna go ahead and just grab my jewelry, but first I'm going to cork the end just to make sure that it doesn't poke anything that it's not supposed to poke. And then I just grab my jewelry and then I'm going to slide that right through into the needle, and then it should just slide right on through. Alrighty, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and screw on the little balls. And then once it's all screwed in nice and tight, this is what it looks like. What do we think? Let me know in the comments down below. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate you taking the time. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for future videos. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there as well. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. I will leave everything that I did use in this video linked in the description box for you guys. Bye.